KGUN-9 on your side first warning weather with meteorologist Aaron Brackett.
Mom and Dad Brackett, we're out taking some photos tonight in northern Illinois. Take a look at that scary looking cloud. It's known as a shelf cloud. Kind of looks like a tornado turned sideways, doesn't it? Well, this type of cloud actually means there's really a low risk of tornadoes. Rather, a lot of wind comes in behind this thing. And it was a gusty thunderstorm, winds of about 40 to 50 miles per hour as it moved through. Kind of a cool image there. As we look at the desert southwest, we're going to be void of rainfall the next week or so. That's unfortunate because, yeah, we're in monsoon and we'd like that rain. We're running below normal. It's going to be hot instead. An area of high pressure centered right over the Four Corners region continues to keep us under that dome of high pressure, that dome of hot air. You see that jet stream, that river of air far off to the north, not helping us out at all. It's still 87 right now at this 10 o'clock hour, 80 in Sierra Vista, 81 right along I-10 in Wilcox, and the other end of I-10 up to the north in Phoenix, 93 sizzling degrees right now. Very low dew points across the area. Take a look at Wilcox, 19, 9 in Safford up to the north in Graham County. 12 in Tucson. Those are bone dry numbers, giving us bone dry humidity. Single-digit percentages from Safford to Wilcox right now. Not much better in Tucson. These numbers struggling just a little bit as we try to build in some moisture, but it's going to be hard with a pattern like this. You see just south of the border, that bright orange, that means very dry conditions several thousand feet above the ground. The same in Flagstaff, Kingman. Really no relief in our near future. As we go ahead and look at futurecast moisture, this is our model. You can keep track with the clock in the upper left-hand side. It goes ahead into the future and tells us what to expect with moisture. We're not seeing those dark greens that we need. Dark green would say, yeah, we have enough for those thunderstorms, those afternoon showers. Getting a little bit better as we head toward Tuesday, but still no large-scale systems. But we do have one that is forming into the tropics. This is going to form tomorrow just off to the west coast of Mexico, about 500 miles off of Puerto Vallarta, or will move that direction at least. And it will start to strengthen. Now, this is not going to impact Arizona or California, but it could impact our moisture. We'll be watching this very closely as it has the possibility to spiral some of that up in our direction, maybe giving that monsoon a jump start. As we look at futurecast, though, not too much going to the overnight. Same story for tomorrow, but you do see some clouds sprouting. This is 8 o'clock in the evening. Most of these will be those high-level cirrus variety, but enough to obscure the stars tomorrow night into early morning on Monday. Tonight, our temperatures heading down into the low, middle 60s in some of the upper elevations. Lower 70s in the lower deserts. You see Bisbee heads down to 62 degrees. Here in Tucson, 71. That's actually right about average. Mostly clear skies. A real nice night out there. Southerly winds coming in at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Winds at 10 to 20 tomorrow. Could be a little bit higher in the high terrain, maybe near Sonoyta, off into the higher terrain of Cochise County. We head to 103. Highs across the area tomorrow. 96 in Sierra Vista. 97 for you in Wilcox. A little bit hotter to the north in Phoenix. And Benson heads to 100 as well. Here's the 7-day forecast now. Look at the hot weather coming. We talked about this earlier in the show, and it's not looking too nice. Friday and Saturday, yeah, we have a slight chance of showers. Keeping our fingers crossed for those because 110 would be the hottest temperature that we've had here in Tucson in the last 2 years. Got something cool to take your mind off that. How about the supermoon? I contribute at KGUN9.com is where Pam sent this photo. You can see it right there. And look at this close-up.
Wow.
Melissa Bowersock had the telephoto lens out tonight. Supermoon coming over the mountain right there. It's appearing about 13% brighter than usual, or actually 13% larger, 30% brighter. And it peaks at 4:33 in the morning if you want to get that absolute perfect shot.
Looks like somebody just lassoed it and just brought it in a little closer.
Aren't those some awesome photos?
I love that. Those are
we love
beautiful.
getting photos here in the Weather Center. Thank you, guys.
All right. Thank you, Aaron. We'll be right back with sports.